Today we're diving into the features of the UPPAbaby Mesa V2 infant car seat, a top choice for parents seeking safety and convenience. This car seat is designed with innovative SmartSecure Technology, offering easy installation with its auto-retracting latch design and a red to green tightness indicator, ensuring a secure fit in seconds. The Mesa V2 provides exceptional protection with an adjustable headrest reinforced with EP foam and side impact protection to keep your baby safe from all angles. For added convenience, the European routing system allows for a secure carrier-only installation without the base, while the fire retardant-free fabrics and GREENGUARD Gold Certification ensure a healthier environment for your little one. The robust infant insert is perfect for babies weighing between 4 to 11 pounds, and the no-rethread harness and one crotch buckle position make buckling up a breeze. With its UPF 25+ hideaway canopy, your baby is shielded from the sun, and the quick release button allows for seamless transitions between the car and stroller. Finally, the Mesa V2 is compatible with Vista and Cruise strollers for a performance travel system, and you can even schedule a complimentary virtual consultation with a certified technician for personalized support. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.